Welcome to Sounds of the Underground, where we connect you with fresh new artists before they even hit the scene. I'm your host, Amber Ash McCary, and for our very first show, we have a band that has their roots right here in Los Angeles. They're making their big debut right now, right here with their new song, Willing to Play, The 20s.
I'm willing to play, 'cause smoking 2 packs a day won't relieve you from the minutes you await. Down under for lips to cascade. A month ago, I was loving you like loving new shoes, bruises on my toes. I got nothing to lose, but all to prove, baby, baby, you must stay in my life for this to float emotion. Since lately I have imagined you. Maybe today we can stay inside to test our devotion. Since lately I have been wondering too. I have to say, the deed is done, but nothing has come from. We can sit and pray. To speak the truth, you're not the only one. You're gonna hit the road, 'cause tying shoes a sign of bad news. Players forced to fold. You got nothing to do but all to lose, baby, baby. You must stay in my life for this to float emotion. Since lately I have imagined you. Maybe today we can stay inside to test our devotion. Since lately I have been wondering too. And I see it in your face. You want me to invade your space. Who can replace when we move with such grace? Baby, baby, you must stay in my life for this to float emotion. Since lately I have imagined you. Maybe today we can stay inside to test our devotion. Since lately I have been wondering too. Baby, baby, maybe today.
Miss Danielle White, Mr. Ryan Fee, Mr. Levi Josephson, thank you guys. This is the 20s.
Yeah.
And
Thank you, guys.
give it up, that was awesome. So you guys, tell me, how did you guys start the band?
We actually met our first semester here at CSUN in kind of the intro to music class that we all have to take as music majors. And from then on, we just figured we really, worked well together. So we started playing for about 3 years now.
Good chemistry, I'd say.
Mm-hmm.
So, cliche question to ask every artist. Idols, inspirations, each of you.
Idols, Celine Dion forever. But inspirations for this band particularly, absolutely Hayley Williams and Alicia Keys. They just go for it and kill it every time.
They do.
I grew up listening to Blink-182, so Tom DeLonge. But I'm really inspired by a lot of 80s arrangements from Janet Jackson and Quincy Jones. So.
Rhythm Nation.
Getting down tonight.
All right, Levi, how about you?
I'm more inspired by a lot of songwriters, singer-songwriters, Rain Maida of Our Lady Peace and Miles Kennedy of Alter Bridge.
Awesome. So, one more question here for you guys. Where do you guys see yourself in 5 years with the band?
In 5 years, still best friends, but
Hopefully.
right? I know. Playing around, just really emoting passion and relaxation and just having a good time. We want our audience to come out and just, if they want to get away from, whatever environment they're surrounded by, just to come out and be like, hey, I can let loose tonight, I can have fun, I want to listen to this band and just groove and jam with us. We always invite a party.
Awesome. And where can we find you guys? Facebook, Twitter? We got to find the music.
Yeah, we have Facebook. If you want to hashtag the 20s, hashtag get it on, hashtag what's up now, stuff like that, you'll probably find us, but also
Awesome.
SoundCloud. And we should be releasing an EP here pretty soon. So.
Awesome. One more song from you guys?
This one is called Things That You Say.
Thank you.
out with my sister in the endless part of town. No need for our throne, we already got a crown. It's not on display, it's worth more than gold. My dreams and my heart will represent my soul. Ooh, I feel like I'm thunder.
Oh, my soul's burning up.
Ooh, no one can take me under.
Yeah, I'm never giving up.
Things that you said haven't happened yet. I want you to know. Next time I'm on this road, I'll be twice as old. Let us always be bold.
I want you to know.
Magic comes right out of me, I illuminate the world. Took me half my life to see all of my self-worth. I don't wear it on my sleeve, every piece that makes me so believe that my heart will represent my soul. Ooh, I feel like I'm thunder.
Oh, I'm never giving up.
Ooh, no one can take me under. Things that you said haven't happened yet. I want you to
I
know.
want you to know.
Next time I'm on this road, I'll be twice as old. Let us always be
Us
bold.
all be bold.
Sometimes all we know is what we do together. We mess it up too together. Sometimes all we have just doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense even when we're together. Things that you said haven't happened yet. I want you to know. Next time I'm on this road, I'll be twice as old. Let us always be bold. Things that you said haven't happened yet. I want you to know. Next time I'm on this road, I'll be twice as old. Let us always be bold.
All right, the 20s. I'm your host, Amber Ash McCary. Thanks for watching Sounds of the Underground. We'll see you next time.
Been a long time, but